8344 Bermuda Sound Way. This is a corner lot within a gated community, A-rated school districts, fenced backyard, pet friendly, up to 2 pets, no size restriction, just no aggressive breeds. So this house has vaulted ceilings as you enter. All tile floors throughout the whole house. So to the right is your open concept kitchen, dining area, living area, screened in patio. Very nice size screened in patio. Fenced in yard. Just enough for a play set or pets to run around. This is your master suite here. Overlooks the patio in the back of the house. And this is a king size bed, so you can get an idea of the space in here. Got a walk-in closet. And here's your bathroom. You have like this wood laminate flooring, Corian countertops. Tiles in great shape. Floors are in great shape. So then here we have the open concept with the kitchen and bar where you could do some bar stools. We have the butcher block countertop and the one-piece sink. Dishwasher, KitchenAid, stove, Whirlpool microwave, and the refrigerator with the bottom freezer. Kind of an almond color on the cabinet compared to the white appliances. And drawers here. And then you have this little section here for extra storage and a pantry. And then down the hallway, we have 2 bedroom and 1 bath and the entry to the garage. So to the left here is the other bathroom, which is the same flooring as the master bath. This one has a tub, whereas the other one has a shower. And this one, the cabinetry here has not been updated. It's in good shape. Got a little bit of imperfections here, just at the edge. All right, and then here we go to your AC closet. Very clean, 2014. Here is what she's using as an office, but it could be a second or third bedroom. It has ceiling fan. That window goes out to the sidewalk entry. And then here's a double closet. And then as we go further down the hall is the third bedroom. This window is facing the front of the house, which would be eastern exposure. And you do have ceiling fan in this room as well. And a double closet here. And then as we go out the garage, this is where your laundry room is. So you have newer washer and dryer, newer hot water heater, some extra storage cabinets. You have your hurricane shutters. Here.